Greetings Warriors of Calradia, and welcome to Development Update 7. As always, we'll be taking a look at some of the recent and upcoming changes to the game. We hope you enjoy the video. On guard! First up, we have a new multiplayer game mode that is currently in the final stages of internal testing, and providing everything goes well, will be coming to the beta version of the game with the next major update. Duel mode pits you against other players in single combat in a true test of individual skill. Upon joining a duel server, you will be free to select from all available classes before spawning in a neutral hub area. From here, you can initiate a duel, switch your class, or roam around the map and watch any ongoing duels. The map is made up of an assortment of arenas to support duels across all class types and provide you with a dedicated space to fight in without any interruptions or distractions. To issue or accept a duel request with an opponent, you simply need to look directly at them and press the F key. If both parties agree, the game tries to find a suitable arena before teleporting you both and starting the duel. The duel takes place over multiple rounds, with the first person to take 3 rounds being declared the winner. When a duel is successfully concluded, the winner takes a share of their opponent's score, with higher value targets bringing larger rewards. This is reflected on the scoreboard, where you can see who is top dog and try and compete for their position on the table. Next up, we have a fairly significant change that we've been working on for some time now and is getting to the point that we're ready to show it. But before we go on, we just want to be clear that this is still a work in progress and subject to change, and with the scale of this update, it's likely that work will continue on this well into the future. The battle terrain system is a new approach to how scenes are selected for field battles in relation to the location of the combatants on the world map. Currently, whenever a battle begins, the game checks the terrain type of the world map location and randomly selects from a connected pool of maps. With the new system, the world map has been divided into regions, with each region being connected to its own specific scene. The system also takes into account the location and direction of the parties within the region, and uses this to determine where each side will spawn in the battle. This update aims to give you a more immersive and strategic experience that allows you to take the terrain into account when planning your battles. And just while we're on the topic of scenes, we want to highlight the 6 new siege scenes that will be making their way to the beta version of the game in the next update. These new Empire and Vlandia maps consist of 4 cities and 2 castles, so if you're on the lookout for a new place to call home, the next beta update might be a good place for you to start. Perhaps real estate isn't really your thing and you're more into demolition. Well, this next update is one for you. Pillaging is a new option that was made available to successful besiegers in the recent 1.5.8 beta update. With this update, conquerors are able to pillage or devastate settlements upon capturing them, netting them a quick boost to gold and morale in exchange for damages to the settlement and its inhabitants. Next up, we have an update on the Battanian Armory, which was recently expanded in the 1.5.8 beta version of the game with the addition of 9 new Celtic inspired helmets. Next, we have a couple of battle related updates. First is a small improvement to the death camera that will be coming with the next beta patch. This update changes it so the camera cycles through characters of high importance first, such as lords, companions, generals and sergeants. And second was a recent change to the kill feed that can be found in the 1.5.8 beta version of the game. This change added an option that allows you to remove the names of non-hero characters from the kill feed, making it more compact and less obtrusive. As our penultimate feature in this update video, we are pleased to announce the arrival of a classic sandbox game mode. Sandbox lets you jump into the game with a clean slate, letting you forge your own path in Calradia without the main storyline to guide you. With Sandbox character creation, we are introducing body weight and build sliders to both story and sandbox mode so that you may further customize your character. While creating your sandbox character, you will also need to select an age group, which will determine the number of skill points that you start with. Furthermore, your character's culture is linked to your starting position on the world map, allowing you to decide where your adventure begins. And finally, If you are playing the game on an RTX graphics card, make sure to download the recent 157 hotfix that allows you to activate Nvidia's Deep Learning Super Sampling image upscaling technology. And that's it for Development Update 7. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, we hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, suggestions or feedback you would like to share, please make sure to leave a reply in the comment section below. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.